Sitting with the Goonie Bird right now, thinking about putting her up. Occasionally I'm getting 10 to 15 mile an hour gusts. If anything, wish me luck with the Zino 2 Plus. Wish me luck. At least we're going to get a little bit of wind footage with the Pocket 2 mic. That always seems to work. But here we go. Let's see if we can get some. Oh man, I don't know. Should I fly this? I'm sitting with the Goonie Bird right now, thinking about putting her up. Occasionally I'm getting 10 to 15 mile an hour gusts. It's pretty calm other than that. This is that time of the day where you do get these gusts that come through. But this thing is supposed to handle class 5 wind. Probably, yeah, but let's give it a shot. I'll go ahead and fly it. I just want to get some of the video from this area, because it's kind of washed out right now, but it'll be a good challenge for this thing. So we'll just fly it a little bit, but I just want to get one more shot at some footage from the Hubsan Zino 2 Plus. Now this right here, that knucklehead that freaking sent it back, so it was all scratched up, but I took a little bit of just automotive scratch remover and took those scratches out. I did order a replacement 5000 mAh replacement battery, so this thing is going to get an upgrade on a battery. And I'm also looking at removing the old stock antennas and putting pegs on there, SMA pegs, so I can just plug in whatever type of antennas that I want, and then put a panel antenna on it and a dipole for control. So, or maybe even dual panels. I haven't decided how I'm going to do that yet, but I'm going to replace these so I can change out my antenna. So we'll do a full mod. I was actually thinking about 4Hawks, putting a 4Hawks system on it. I do believe they make an adapter, a 4Hawks adapter for a Zino, but I don't know. That's $150. I think if I get into the antenna mod, I'll probably be down much lower than 150, probably more in the, I don't know, 10 or 15, I mean, probably maybe 30 in antennas, and then the 2 pigtails, and then the extra battery. The battery's like $25, so this thing will be hot rodded. I'll be able to get the distance. I won't get the breakups that it gets now. These are very cheap antennas. You got a single wire going through there. They're just very deceptive. There's the wind, it's coming up. I don't know, we'll see here. This thing just does not have you don't get the confidence in the wind. So if I put it up, the GPS, it doesn't necessarily stabilize it right away. There's kind of this goofy period right when you first launch it. And once you get it in the air, you can kind of take care of that. But at launch, it's just goofy. So I guess I could go and launch it over there. Why not? Let's go ahead and launch it. All right, later. Dad random, and I will come back, show you a little bit of video footage. I'm not going to do any live flying. I've already done that. Yeah, we're in good shape. So we're all nice and shiny right there. That's very nice. You don't get that. What I'm thinking is, in shipping, what happened was one of these pegs got loose, and since I didn't put a bubble wrap over it, it scratched that up a little bit, and I can still work it down a little bit more. I can already see that I can bring it out. I can get that out. But battery mod, $25, maybe another $50 in new antenna mods. So this thing will get, it says 9 kilometers. That's bull crap. There's no way I would fly this 9 kilometers. That's like to that mountain there and past it. I just, no, it's not going to do it. I just don't trust it. But it does get 28 minutes in battery, so that's flight time. That's pretty good. I was impressed with that. And this can be, we're thinking we can mod this with a toy battery, so we can get a better quality LiPo This is a 3,800 mile. I think we can replace it with 5,000, maybe 42, 43, like they have in the Autel Evo 2, and bring that up to over 30 minutes. You know, we'll be in the 30, you know, almost a 40-minute range, just like that. They're about the same weight as far as drones are concerned. All right, later, Dad random. Let's get this thing in the air. If anything, wish me luck with the Zino 2 Plus. Wish me luck. At least we're going to get a little bit of wind footage with the Pocket 2 mic. That always seems to work. But here we go. Let's see if we can get some. Oh man, I don't know. Should I fly this? It's supposed to be able to handle these conditions. Okay, here we go. I'm going to do it. I'm going to get behind the shed there and find a nice solid place to drop it on when we have to land. But it's taken off, and gosh, this thing is just it's not trustworthy yet. I just don't trust it. All right, here we go. Later, I'm putting all my effort into flying. I'm not recording at all while I'm doing this. Later. Bye.